So we've seen one group being briefed by Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri as they set to head out in 2 days from now to different countries. And so essentially the confirmation has come in from the MPs who were a part of their delegation that some issues were brought up, and all of those issues were essentially addressed by the Foreign Secretary on what is really the government stand, what's the country stand on different aspects of Operation Sindoor. Now also what's been confirmed by several of the MPs there who've been a part of that briefing is that they are going to be visiting countries that are members of the UNSC, and then 5 other countries that will become members of the UNSC in the days to come. I'll be explaining that to you as to why each of these countries have been chosen. But this is going to be a long exercise that will continue for the next few months. Many groups have been identified essentially to send out a message of zero tolerance to terror.
I was able to introduce the committee to my colleague Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad, who will be leading the delegation that is going to Paris in 2 days' time. So that was also a good opportunity for him to say hello to them and for them to meet him in advance. However, this committee is still traveling and may not be back in France when Raviji gets there, but he will meet their colleagues and others in Paris. French delegation not just expressed solidarity, they used the word soutien, which in English means support. They expressed support for India at this difficult time.
It was developments as they happened. Pakistan DGMO called our DGMO and said, we want to call this off, we want to ceasefire. And our DGMO said, that's what you are doing, we will reciprocate. You escalated, we reciprocated. You want to call it off, we reciprocate. But please do it seriously. That's all, and it was done.
जो देश में राजनीति है, जो देश में हमारा अधिकार है, दायित्व है, वो अलग है. देश के बारे में बाहर जाकर जो बोलना है वो अलग है.
The main topic or the main message of this delegation to the entire world is fight against terrorism, zero tolerance against terrorism. Terrorism which is proliferating in the soils of Pakistan and spreading to India. Every time some of the other attack which is happening on India, and now it is not limited only to India, but it is spreading to the entire world. The US also has suffered the same terrorism activities. UK also suffered, UAE has also suffered, some parts of Africa has also suffered.
वार एक तरह से 40 साल से देश झेल रहा है. हम लोगों ने हर एक समय एविडेंस दिया, चीज़ें दी, लेकिन जैसे चोर को कहा जाता है कि आप ही आकर के जांच कीजिए, उस तरह का उसका हरकत रहा है, वो खुद ही कराता है. अब एक न्यू नॉर्मल जो आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा है कि अब इस तरह का घटना होगा तो हम लोग भी जाके हिट कर सकते हैं, जो प्रूव करके दिखाया है. तो और लार्जली ये चीज़ देना कि भाई टेररिज्म का जो रूट है, सिर्फ इंडिया ही नहीं, दुनिया में कहीं टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी होता है, उसका कहीं न कहीं लिंक पाकिस्तान में निकल जाता है. तो इस चीज़ से भी सेंसिटाइज करना,
एक्सपोज करना पूरा पाकिस्तान,
पूरा जो, और ये कहना कि कोई ये टेररिस्ट ग्रुप कोई आइसोलेशन में नहीं आ रहा है. इनका पूरा पैटर्न जो है, पूरा फंडिंग, ट्रेनिंग, सारा का सारा पाकिस्तान आर्मी और वहाँ की सरकार करवाती है.